The grass itself and the dirt, I think the main thing that it needs is, again, the circular mapping for a sharper result. And then let's just copy this to the bump and set it to maybe 200%. So we get a very rough material, which of course is necessary because grass and dirt have a lot of roughness. So it's not a soft, silky material. And again, we can set this maybe to set, or we can leave it at the circle value. So one thing I'll do is I'll go back to my leaf Cinema 4D file and just change the leaves a little. Here we are. So I'll change the most dense variation to, let's say, 22. And replace it. Then the second version, leaves few, I'll set that, which was originally set to 20, I'll set it to 15. And then the last variation, leaves fewer, I'll set that to 7. Okay. And let's just go and render this so that it gives us a little bit more variation where we can still see the original surface between the leaves. So, okay, that works. Let's look at the rest of the materials we have over here. So